Hey guys, how's it going? I'm here with something good, something special. This is the Tronsmart OnyxAce wireless noise cancellation earbuds with the Bluetooth 5 compatible and a Qualcomm chipset. So this is the world uh, exclusive debut package, like a gift box. So I'm going to unbox. And here we go. So here's the original package. So this one is white one. So there is a charging case with a quad microphone for crystal clear sound. It equipped with a 13 mm drivers for rich bass and hi-fi sound, up to 24 hours of playtime. Here is a Qualcomm chip for more stable and faster connection. Loses audio with iOS quad microphone with noise cancellation, superior sound, up to 5 hours playtime by 24 hours with charging case, touch control, fully switch proof with the IP rating, up to 15 meter connection distance. More in stereo pairing mode. You can use two earphones or only one. Voice assistant compatible with a Siri, Cortana, Google Now. Stable, comfortable fit, USB-C charging port. I think not included inside. Only for $30. Okay, there, USB cable without charger, I think. Wow. Look at this nice light earbuds. Well, charging case. USB Type-C cable. What's in the box? Other warranty card. "18 months of a warranty, user manual, but there is no cleaning cloth anyway. So for for a better indication, you can charge earphones with this charging case. So left and right describe it. It's like earpods by Apple. This one's looks comfortable too. No pressure-free design. Equipped with a, as I said, a Qualcomm chipset, more stable connection and more controllable. For quad microphones, I think this one holds is microphones. Okay, let's the pair with the iPhone. See the performance. So Bluetooth Tronsmart OnyxAce, as you can see. I'm going to pair connect it right now. So let's okay, now is paired successfully. So let's check the Spotify, some music. Can you hear it? Wow, it's a rich bass and a good sound. Louder volume I've checked right now. So double tap is pause on the play. Next song by holding press it on release. As you can see, I can change the songs easily. I like it, these headphones. Let's check the charging keys, how it's fit. USB Type-C. It's a very lightweight, nice package. Yeah, nice charging case. Okay. It's not long. It's a very good size.